Hello students, in this lecture I am going to show you how can we solve any differential equation using variation of parameter. Suppose we have a differential equation. Solve y double dash plus y equals to cosec x, and we have to solve this equation using variation of parameter. At first, complete solution will be y equals to y complementary function plus y particular integral. And y complementary is given by CF is given by d square plus 1 y equals to 0. Okay, we just put right hand side equals to 0. Auxiliary equation will become m square plus 1 equals to 0. It implies m equals to plus minus iota. Therefore, complementary function is given by CF is given by yc equals to c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. Say it is equation number 1. We can say this is y1, this one is y2, and y1 and y2 both are independent solution. Now, how can we use variation of parameter, or where variation of parameter is used? Basically, we use variation of parameter to find particular integral. So just write to find particular integral, use variation of parameters. It means we can assume yp equals to u y1 plus v y2. Okay, now at first identify y1, y2 are, because we need to find u and v, where u equals to, this u can be given as minus r y2 upon w dx, and v can be given by integration r y1 upon w dx, where w is Wronskian of y1 and y2. Just write this term, where w equals to determinant of y1, y2, y1 dash, y2 dash. Just find this value and substitute this value in denominator. Okay, if we identify the values from this equation, we can see y1 equals to cos of x, y2 equals to sin of x, right hand side r equals to cosec x, and Wronski w equals to, if we find out Wronskian of y1 and y2, it is given as w equals to y1, y2. y1 is cos x, y2 is sin x, y1 dash means minus sin x, and y2 dash is cos of x. If we solve this value, we get cos square x plus sin square x, we get 1. Therefore, w equals to 1. Say it is equation number 2. Now find u and v with the help of formula. U equals to integration minus r y2. Once again, I am writing the formula upon w dx. Substitute the value of r. R is cosec x. Y2 is, what is y2? Y2 is sin x. Upon, what is the value of w? Value of w is 1 d of x. minus dx. We can find out value of dx. Value of r, it is still minus cosec x. What about y1? Y1 is cos x. There will be no minus sign, okay? Minus sign for minus r for v, u. Upon w is 1 dx. If we write cosec x equal to 1 upon sin x, it will become cot x. Cot x dx. Therefore, after integration, we get log of sin x. Now we have the value of u, we have the value of v. Therefore, particular integral yp will become u y1 plus v y2. It is equals to u y1 plus v y2. U is minus x, y1 is cos x, v is log sin x, y2 is sin x, log sin x. Okay, now we have yp, we have yc as well. Therefore, complete solution will be, complete solution y will be c1 y1 c1 cos x plus c2 sin x, and yp is minus x cos x plus sin x log of sin x. Thank you. Similarly, we can solve other questions as well. Just find out u, find out v. Yp will become u y1 plus v y2, and we get the solution of differential equation.